Hi guys, Lee Cole here. If you are looking for a super easy side hustle business you can do online that will help local businesses, I've been doing this for the past almost 18 years now. It's a great business to be in, but it is using AI to help local businesses improve their photographs, improve the images on their Google listing, on their website, etc. I just want to show you a couple of really quick searches I just did, and I want to show you what I'm talking about. This image right here, I mean, you can't really tell what it is. It's a telephone pole, it's a bunch of wires, there's some kind of building in the back. I understand what they're trying to say. They're trying to say that we do stuff like that, but it's really junky looking and not very appealing. This image of the panel there, or whatever. I'm not an electrician, but whatever that is, ditto. I mean, it's confusing, it's interesting, but confusing. All of this stuff needs help. This guy, I'm kind of sorry they left off the top of him, his face. He could have been looking very pleasantly at the camera, and none of us like to do business, especially for home services. We don't like grumpy or rude or even dangerous looking people entering our homes. When they work on our homes, I had some plumbing work done recently, and those guys were totally fantastic. Came over on time, had a smile, said yes, sir, yes, ma'am. I mean, I'm in the South, so that's kind of like what we do. But that's what you want. You want someone you feel good about. This is probably a wonderful person sitting right there just doing a great job, but you can't really tell, right? Okay. This is a little confusing. And the cool thing is, you can use, I have no idea what that is. Is that a car? Okay, well, look, it would really help if it was like turned 90 degrees for one thing. And if you could just see everything a little better. I guess they're saying that they install those things. I don't have an electric car, but, they install those things you charge your car up with. Panel looks a little junky, and I get it. I mean, panels look junky, but you know. And another thing that would help on these images is take the image and turn it into what we call a meme, which is an image with some words on it, like you could say we did X, Y, Z on this, etc., etc. You can do all kinds of cool things now. I guess this picture goes with the previous one of the guy in the post hole digger. You can do all kinds of really cool things now with AI. You can take images. I'm going to show you a shocking example in a minute, but you can take images and within just a few minutes, like this obviously is upside down, at least turn it the right way. But, you can use AI, free AI. I mean, you can use free ChatGPT, free Claude. And those are the main ones I use, but you can use Perplexity, Gemini, whatever. And you can fix these images for businesses. You could be doing them a huge service. It really does not take a long time to do this. I've got a product that you can buy very, very inexpensively, and I'll show you that before we, training product. It's right here, Google Maps Image Makeover. But you can learn all about how to do this. It's not hard. I mean, it's basically once you understand the concept and have the prompts, it is shocking what you can do. So, at least you think it's just electrical businesses. There's a Mexican restaurant near me. This is a really good restaurant. It's fairly near me. I've never eaten there myself, but I've had a lot of friends eat there. This is an interesting picture. It's also very junky looking, and it's like, I mean, if you live in the neighborhood or in the general area, then you know it, you're cool. But like if you're visiting or something like that, you might think, gosh, this is a safe area. I'm in the United States, folks. Is this a safe area? Should I go there? Is it family oriented? That kind of thing. This is a good picture, but you can't, well, you can't really see it. The food's kind of squeezed out, okay? A little better, running this through AI and having it actually compose the picture a little better. Same image, We're just recomposing the picture. Nobody's cheating here. That would help a ton. That's not a bad picture. It could be a little better composed. And AI can do all of this. I mean, you see a lot of these pictures. See this. You can't. I mean, is this good? Is it junky? I mean, I love Mexican food, so all of this looks fabulous to me. This is a picture that Okay, so they serve. I don't drink alcohol, so I guess this is a margarita or something. I guess the idea is here, they serve alcohol or they serve great margaritas. Well, wouldn't it be nice if we had a little better composed picture where we had basically the same thing, but maybe a happy couple there or, some friends sitting around, smiling, having a good time? That would make a much better picture. And AI can do this and not make it look like AI and not make it look, not cheating or anything like that. We're not making stuff up out of whole cloth here. I've been taking great picture of the dining room, but I mean, is it crowded or not? Can I get in there or not? All of these pictures need some help, and AI can do that for you. I want to show you what I'm talking about. And I'll have a link to this where you're seeing this video on YouTube. I'll have a link to this for you. Just scroll down to the comments section or the description. The first link will take you to this page, Google Maps image makeover. Fix ugly Google profile images and make quick local sales. You can, do really well with this. It's a great service for businesses. It does them an enormous amount of good. It's also a great foot in the door. I mean, in other words, you can take that, do a great job, do other stuff for Google business profile listings and their website and all that stuff. And I tell you how to do all that stuff. But anyway, I want you to look at this. It's totally shocking. This is a business near me. This is a real picture off of their Google listing. And they sell seafood, which I'm like 5 hours from the coast. I mean, it's not like I'm in Iowa somewhere, but I'm 5 hours from the coast. So the idea of seafood coming out of this place is just a little, am I going to get hepatitis eating this? A little squeamish, right? Well, I want to show you, I took this picture and I ran it through a couple of 3 prompts. I guess it took me a few minutes, 10 minutes or so, and I enhanced the photo. Now, you will see that I did not change the business. It's kind of like we went in there, we fixed this up, we took the dent out of that, we moved that. They probably need this mat here because maybe the ice here leaks. I don't know, but you'll see that we made it look a lot better, a lot cleaner, and a lot more friendly. Check this out. So compare this real photo to the enhanced photo. Bam. They say it's the same photo. You have the same stupid lobster holding the whatever bottles. But now, look, we took that logo, put it over here, and this only took a few minutes. Now, think to yourself, you live in the area, you're really jonesing for some seafood, you see this picture. I'm going to say to myself, yeah, I don't know if I want food poisoning today. I look at this picture, I'm going to say to myself, man, they keep that place nice and clean. Notice the fronts of these, all fixed up. See how that's banged up there? The garbage can, or whatever that is, gone. The mat, gone. The floors, clean. The TV with nothing on it, an advertisement, as well it should be. No plants, no greenery. Also, the wall looks dingy here. I mean, the place, just... If this was at the beach, I might not have such a reaction to it, but 5 hours in from the coast, yeah, there's a bit of a reaction. Look, mop bucket? Seriously? No mop bucket. Nice plants, cleaned up, walls are brighter, the lighting's brighter. The thing is, it's obviously the same place. Nobody's lying, nobody's making stuff up. It is literally the digital equivalent of if you told this business owner, yeah, we need to fix up your photos, but dude, you got to clean this place up first. I mean, it's got to look better or else it's going to the picture is going to do more harm than good. This picture is driving people away. This picture is attracting people. And so Google Maps Image Makeover is my inexpensive training on how to do this. I go over everything, how to find clients, what AIs to use. By the way, you can use free AI. You don't need to, paid AI is really cheap, $20 a month for ChatGPT, $20 a month for Claude, but you don't even need that. You can use free AI. I tell you how to get clients, how to service them, what to charge, how to do everything. If you're really new to working with local businesses, this is a phenomenal product to start with. There's a huge need for this. I literally, within just a few minutes, searched electricians and Mexican restaurants near me and found businesses with pictures that need help. All right. So that's what we got today. You're on YouTube, just scroll down to scroll down to the description, hit that first link, and that will take you to this page right here. All right. So thank you so much. My name's Lee Cole, and get this because right now it is on sale for a lot less than it should be on sale for. Have a great day.